give you some information about the awesome hog crusher that we have here. This unit delivers a sustainable solution to reduce or minimize waste into a cost-saving material. The hog crusher grinds materials into smaller particles for a significant reduction in dumpster fees. You can use your crushed materials for other uses such as backfill or road base. We found on average that contractors are saving up to 75% on their dumpster fees. Now we're going to walk through the steps here on how you would actually use this machine. Step 1, scoop the material up with the hog crusher. Step 2, level the hog crusher and start the recycle process by engaging the auxiliary hydraulics. Step 3, let the crusher do its work and it'll pulverize the material in just minutes. Step 4, stop paying to have recyclable debris removed from your job site. Now let's get into some details about this machine. The hog crusher has built-in fork pockets with a 1/2 yard capacity. It can crush material down to 2" minus with up to 10 tons an hour discharge rate. Our crushing rotor is 24 inches wide with tri-brace steel designed to tackle your toughest abrasion and impact applications. So the hog crusher has 32 carbide teeth. The carbide teeth run through our breaker plate. One of the great things about this hog crusher is the steel inside here is built out of a tri-brazed material, which is used in mining equipment. The material, once it goes through the breaker plate, is going to be 2" minus. That's going to be your discharge size. You're also going to get a maximum output out of this of 10 yards an hour. So we also have this tool for removing the carbide teeth that's attached to every unit. You'd unpin this, you insert your tool here, put a little force and smack the back of it with the hammer. Very easy to change teeth right in the field. Do it in a matter of seconds. So basically you've got your universal attachment plate, which will hook up to any skid steer here. The reason we put the holes in the back of the machine is so the operator in the machine can look at the material and see when all the material's been crushed and then how it's coming out the bottom. So you have that access to view the material inside the hopper. You have your auxiliary hydraulic hoses here. These are the flat face couplers. And you also have 4 additional teeth supplied with each unit. We also include a hardened edged blade on each hog crusher. The reason we do this is to allow for easy access to scoop your material up. The optimal hydraulic flow that you need from your skid steer is 24 gallons a minute. Anything over and above 24 gallons a minute is just excess and not needed. The minimum amount of flow that you require is 15 gallons a minute. We also have fork pockets that are accessible on the front and also the back of the machine. This is for easy access when you're loading and unloading and transporting the machine. For more information about the hog crusher or other job site equipment, follow the information on the screen.